Hello everyone and welcome to this Binance tutorial. In this video I will show you how to sell your cryptocurrencies on your phone using the Binance Mobile app. So the first thing you need to do is to open the Binance app. Once it's loaded, go to your wallet. If you have found a coin you want to sell, click on your coin. You will now be sent over to a menu looking similar to this one. On this page you can see all the pairs your coin is trading in. For example, RSR is trading in only 4 pairs. This means that I can sell my RSR in return for BNB, which is the Binance coin, but also in return for Bitcoin, BUSD and USDT. A good example of a coin that trades in a lot of different pairs is Cardano. So let's go back to my wallet and go to Cardano. As you can see, Cardano trades in 13 pairs. So once you have found a pair you want to trade your coin in, click on it. So let's say I want to sell a part of my ADA holdings and get USDT in return for my Cardano. I will click on the ADA/USDT pair. Now there's 2 ways you can sell your coin. First off, you could sell your coin by using a limit order. In the top left you can see the price your coin is currently trading for. As of right now, Cardano is trading for around 175 USDT. If I would like to buy more Cardano when the price goes down, I could place a buy limit order on a price lower than the price Cardano is currently trading for. Remember though, there's no guarantee that the coin will go down to the price you set your buy order at. Real quick, if you find this video helpful, let me know by leaving a thumbs up. If I would like to sell a part of my Cardano holdings, I could place a sell limit order. First off, you should decide at which price you want to sell your coin. If I want to sell some of my Cardano if the price hits 180, I will go over to the price and fill in 180. The next thing you need to do is to fill in how many coins you want to sell if your coin hits the price you just filled in. Of course, you could also use the percentage bar. This bar makes it very easy for you to buy or sell a percentage of the total amount you have available. So I could select the amount of Cardano I want to sell by tapping on the percentage bar. Or I could type in the amount of coins I want to sell by myself. The same goes for when you want to buy more of a coin. So you need to fill in at which price you want to buy more of your coin. And below that you need to fill in how much you want to spend on that coin if the price goes down. The second way you could buy or sell crypto is by going over to market order. By using a market order, you will buy or sell more crypto for the price it's currently trading for. However, this comes with a consequence you should be aware of. If you want to learn more about the different kind of orders you can place and which pros and cons they have, check out this video.